The Eaton County Probate Court, an overview. Hi, I'm Darren Findling of the Probate Pro, and we're going to discuss the ins and outs of the Eaton County Probate Court. Let's get right at it. The Eaton County Probate Court is located at 1045 Independence Boulevard in Charlotte, Michigan, of course in Eaton County. As you can see from the photo, it's a complex building, meaning it's a municipal complex with lots of offices and courtrooms in it. Easy to find, easy to park. We always recommend that before you go to any court, that you go well in advance, leave early. Give yourself a chance to park, walk into the building, go through security, find your courtroom, take a deep breath. We understand that probate-related issues are often very emotional. It'll give you a chance to just feel comfortable in the surroundings. As I mentioned, the building is a secured facility, which means as you enter into the building, you should be prepared to make sure there's nothing in your pockets that are sharp or could be construed to be a weapon. The Eaton County Probate Court, of course, handles probate and trust-related matters. To understand why you're in the Eaton County Probate Court is to understand the difference between jurisdiction and venue. Jurisdiction relates to the subject matter, generally, of the matter upon which you're involved in. So, for example, if it's a bankruptcy issue, you go to the bankruptcy court. If it's a divorce issue, you go to the family division of the circuit court. And so, too, with probate and trust-related issues, you go to the probate court. For a deceased probate estate, the administration of a probate issue, it proceeds through the probate court, and the county is dictated by the domicile of the decedent. In the event that the person died out of the state of Michigan but had assets in Eaton County, then Eaton County could be the appropriate venue. With trusts, most of them are administered outside of probate court involvement. But some trusts have written right into the trust that the court should supervise the administration of the trust. Or if you're involved in a conflict, for example, the creation or formation of the trust, or the manner upon which the trustee is performing their duties, or a dispute about the interpretation or a dispute among the trust beneficiaries, then the probate court would have jurisdiction to resolve those types of disputes. Guardianships relate to the incapacity of an individual, the legal incapacity of somebody who is unable to manage their own well-being. The Eaton County or the venue is dictated by the residency of that individual. Conservatorship relates to their financial affairs, their inability to handle and manage their own financial well-being. Residency also dictates and controls the court upon which you file. Eaton County is really fortunate to have a very experienced judge in Thomas K. Byerly serving on behalf of the bench. Thomas K. Byerly handles the entire Eaton County probate docket. Eaton County has a fairly extensive website that allows for many of the functions upon which you used to have to go down to the probate court. So, for example, if you go to eatoncounty.org, as referenced here in this slide, you can access really important information about the process for guardianship, conservatorship, deceased estates, as well as access to the court forms, so you can prepare those forms in advance of filing. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a case search system, so the docket can't be accessed through the website. And as you can see on this slide, you have to actually contact the court to find out if a case has already been filed or to get case information, including the case number. The filing fees relating to probate are referenced here. The most common filing fees that are asked relate to the commencement of certain types of files. So, for example, a guardianship estate, conservatorship estate, deceased estate, the filing fee is $175. It doesn't tell the whole story because, for example, with a deceased estate, after you've opened it and paid that initial filing fee, you have to pay for the letter of authority. You generally have to publish in the legal news, and then there's a gross inventory fee that's paid based on the assessed value as reflected on the inventory. If you're unsure about the filing fees, contact the probate court or your probate practitioner. The Eaton County Probate Court is a busy court system. The state of Michigan each year provides a caseload summary in which it identifies the various filings that occur within the court. As you can see, in 2019, there were 233 estates that were commenced in the Eaton County Probate Court and 154 guardianship estates. If you look at the lower section of this caseload summary, you can see that at the end of 2019, there were 411 active deceased and trust-related matters and 226 adults with guardianship. So what can you glean from this case report summary? Well, it's to understand that when you go to court, you're one of many files. Be prepared. Be prepared to explain to the court what's going on in your particular set of circumstances. At the Probate Pro, we're passionate about probate and trust issues. If you have questions about the Eaton County Probate Court or any questions relating to probate and or trust matters, give us a call, 833-PROBATE, or visit us at theprobatepro.com.